What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin today. We're going to go over why Dogecoin went down, why everything else in the crypto market went down, and we're going to go over what we have next coming up for Dogecoin. But anyways, hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. It really helps the channel out a lot. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. Now, I also do want to mention, shout out to everyone who subscribed and got me up to 10,000 subscribers. I'm really, really, really glad that this happened. I'm really, really thankful for everyone who subscribed. So the whole Baby Doge army, the whole Dogecoin army, the whole Sheep army, shout out to everyone that got this channel all the way up to 10K subscribers. Couldn't do it without you all. But anyways, let's get straight to the video. So as you can see here with Dogecoin, you can see all that selling pressure coming in here through the oscillator. You can see the bulls in control by 80%. Now, the second we bounce to this green supply and demand area, we just started to go up on a huge uptrend. Not even a huge uptrend, but a decent uptrend, because the green area is our supply and demand showing lots of demand. The red areas are supply and demand showing less demand. Now, the second we hit the green area, we just started to go up because, lots of demand. But the bears are in control by 80% of the 24-hour market control. But this has nothing to do with Dogecoin. It has nothing to do with anything Dogecoin-wise. That is not why this has dropped. Now, you can look over here and see Bitcoin. Bitcoin had the same drop. Matter of fact, everything in the crypto market went down, literally down, 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 down. Now we're going to be going over exactly why this happened, why we're losing money in the crypto market, why Dogecoin is down in particular. So that is all because of this. President Biden signs infrastructure bill into law mandating broker reporting for requirements, just new requirements for brokers pretty much. And really they're targeting crypto brokers. So as you can see over here, the bill mandates that going forward, digital asset transactions worth more than $10,000 be reported to the IRS. A group of senators originally proposed an amendment to the bill that would have clarified the crypto tax reporting requirements, but the proposal failed to get in approval on August. So bipartisan and jobs seem to be the theme of the afternoon. So they're pretty much, doing all that, and now they're doing this $10,000 plus tax thing. But it's nothing that we didn't already have there. Now actual exchanges are going to actually have to report this pretty much. So this is pretty much what we're going to be seeing here coming up very soon. We're going to be seeing them trying to do different kind of taxes, different kind of tax laws. They're probably going to try to do the unrealized gains tax, which has not been successful yet. It would be literally like illogical, like zero logic at all to do unrealized tax, like unrealized gain taxes. It's pretty much like saying, hey, look, your let's just say your house is supposed to be worth $1 million next year, so we're gonna go ahead and charge you for that $1 million in the taxes this year, even though it's gonna be $1 million by next year. Because it's just stupid. It's just very, very stupid. Like there's no logic behind it. It's just the government being greedy, wanting more control over the people, and that's pretty much all it is. But yeah, this is all irrelevant because it's just stupid. It's stupid, stupid, stupid. I know everyone is hating exactly what's going on inside the office right now for the government. Just a bunch of stupid stuff is going on. And yeah, not hating on anyone, but things, let's just say things were a lot better back in the days, but now they are going downhill. But anyways, let's go over Dogecoin and the Dogecoin analysis. So Dogecoin price analysis. Doge struggles in a tight range. So now we're going down into a lower range because of this new thing going on with our new taxes now. But anyways, moving average in the Dogecoin daily price chart containing the 8, 13, 21, 55 EMAs. Pretty much just some technical talk here. But what we really want to see is here the price action may break down the following trend line. So as you can see, the daily price chart of Dogecoin moves along with a trend line. Depending on the price action, the support area is within 18 cents to 20 cents. On the flip side, the resistance range to look for is around 33 cents to 35 cents. So we are nearing down some support here, but I do want to mention something here with the resistance. Like you can see that it looks like we're actually slowly but surely inching up to the resistance. Like even though we just had this dip because of the new taxes that they're trying to impose on us, we're still slowly moving up on this uptrend. You just notice how the second we hit the support line, we bounced back. The second we hit that support line, we didn't even fully hit it, but the second we got near that support line, we pretty much just started to bounce back here with Dogecoin. So that just shows we have heavy support, even if we have bad news like we just now had today. Like the whole crypto market, the whole stock market, everything's just bad news. So it's just made everything drop. So everything just became oversold pretty much. Now, the reason why I'm not worried about this and worried about all the taxes and stuff, this is all going to blow over. This is pretty much, this is FUD in its purest form, like fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Literally. Every time we start doing good in the crypto market, every time we start doing good in the stock market, we always get some news, some bad news from the government. The government comes, they give bad news, prices drop, people sell out, they buy the dip, and then it goes up. They sell it and they spread more FUD, and then it's like a money cycle. They're printing literal money right now, literally, and they're just yeah, yeah. I'm gonna stop complaining about that, but just know it's some corrupted stuff going on behind the scenes, and a lot of big stuff is about to start happening inside the crypto market because of that. You're probably gonna see some more drops, and this is if they keep spreading, more FUD. If you're uncertainty and doubt in the market, then we're gonna see a little bit more drops. But I just wouldn't be scared of this. I mean, it's something that's gonna happen anyway. They're gonna keep imposing more and more and more taxes until eventually there's 100% taxes on your gains. So that's pretty much how I'm seeing it. They're not gonna stop until you own nothing by 2030. Remember, that is exactly what they said. That's exactly what they said. The government said themselves. You will own nothing and you will be happy. That's what they said. So if you don't believe me, look up that phrase and you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. They're very serious about that. But anyways, let's move on here with Dogecoin. So we got big stuff going on. So the RSI showed a signal of 50 neutral with a short-term flat sign. So investors may find that the indicator's RSI line is running flat. A plunge can happen on future trading days pretty much. So over here you can see conclusion. Dogecoin is currently trading about 26 cents over here. So Dogecoin, blah, 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 blah. What we really want to see here is the resistance level of 33 cents and 35 cents and the support of 18 cents and 20 cents. Now, if we continue to go down on this little downtrend that they have us here, it's on an uptrend here. But since we just now had this huge dip inside the market, is now on the little downtrend. So if we continue to go on a downtrend, we will eventually hit 20 cents. That is if we keep getting bad news left and right. But this whole green area right here shows lots of demand for Dogecoin, meaning even if we keep getting bad news, we still have all of this demand in Dogecoin. So as the price drops, people just start to buy in. Now the oscillator is at the bottom of a selling pattern here, showing that we're actually about to go into a new buying pattern. So you're probably about to see an overbought area like we had way back here. Looking at it on the 1 minute chart, you can see a bunch of overbought areas. So you're probably going to see more and more overbought areas. Probably going to see huge movement inside of Dogecoin, and that's going to be coming very soon. So we're going to see another rise because this whole drop was unprecedented, but it pretty much just shows how volatile things are in the crypto market. Nothing is really going on bad in crypto. Like, this is stuff that we already had. I mean, you got to think about it. Like, over $10,000, they're pretty much telling crypto brokers, look, if over $10,000 is transacting through your broker, then you got to report that to the IRS. This is something that we already had to do. This is nothing new, literally. Like literally $10,000 is nothing. Like, if you have 10,000 or more and you're transacting it through your broker, now you have to report it to the IRS, and the actual crypto brokers have to report it to the IRS. At first, it wasn't happening like that. The actual crypto brokers were never reporting anything to the IRS, but now they have to. So this is really bad for crypto brokers because he's putting more work on their end. Now they have to go through and send everyone's records, and they have to go through. They have to make these algorithms. They have to code these algorithms to take out everyone that has 10,000 plus inside of their accounts and send it over to the IRS. So it's going to take more programming work. They're going to have to hire more coders. They're going to have to hire more database management people to manage that database with skill or whatever they use. They're going to have to do a lot of different things. So this is really going to affect the crypto brokers. It's not going to affect us, or it'll affect you if you're trying to avoid taxes. Let's just be honest. If you're trying to avoid taxes, this will definitely affect you because now you're not going to be able to do it. But it's very dumb to try to avoid taxes. Shout out to Wesley's Nice. Shout out to anyone else who's out there trying to avoid taxes. So you just can't avoid taxes. Like, it's something that was going to happen. This is nothing new. Literally nothing new happened in the crypto market. Yet we dropped, which is why I said it's unprecedented, which pretty much means that we're going to rise like right back up again. That's why you're seeing these supply and demand areas. That's why this whole area is green. It's showing so much demand for Dogecoin because nothing changed. The only thing that changed was the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. The only thing that changed was the selling of people who spread FUD. And then when they sell, they artificially lower the price, causing the smaller retail buyers and traders to sell also. And then once the retail people sell, that's when the whales come in. They buy that dip and then they ride it right back up. So that's pretty much what's going to happen here. I do believe everything's going to go right back up. This is just fear, uncertainty, and doubt in its purest form. But anyways, let's move on from this. So Dogecoin down 4.1% in the last 24 hours, 11.5% in the last 7 days, 8.2% in the last 14 days. And I also do want to mention, let me know in the comment sections if you guys want me to go break down this whole infrastructure bill that they're talking about, because I can actually make videos like that too, going over like the political stuff and how that's going to affect us financially. I think Meet Kevin, he does a very good job at that too, probably way better than I can do. And I watch his videos too, so check that out. He definitely explains everything very well. But I could make videos in that kind of format where I break things down like that. But I just think he does it way better. So check out his videos. I think his videos will be very helpful if you want to know more on the infrastructure and stuff. But if you want me personally to go over it and go over my points of view, then I definitely will. Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, shout out to all the other fellow YouTubers out there. Now let's go over the Dogecoin whales. Like I'm saying, like they're doubling down on this. Like they see the dip, they know exactly what's happening. So this Dogecoin whale probably didn't know yesterday that today was going to be when they released the infrastructure bill news. So they came in yesterday, $1.1 billion. Now they're at 1 billion. Like they literally lost $50 million. Literally $50 million overnight because they probably didn't know that the infrastructure was going to happen, which I don't know how you can't know that the infrastructure is going to happen when you're a literal billionaire. You kind of know these things. You kind of watch for these things. So this kind of leads to me to think that this is pretty much the end of what we're going to see on this dip. This leads me to think that we're more than likely going to see a huge rise. Why would a billionaire put $1.1 billion in Dogecoin yesterday when we're about to have huge, terrible news today? Like, billionaires know this kind of stuff. They know, they watch the politics, they watch everything. When they watch news, they know what's happening, they know when it's happening. So why would the billionaire put the money in yesterday knowing that something like this will happen today? And that just kind of leads me to think, like, because maybe they know that there's no logic behind it. Like, this is for people who are trying to avoid taxes, and they're not trying to avoid taxes because they know if they want to stay a billionaire, they better pay those taxes or else all that money's getting confiscated. So literal billionaires, they know this. They know, like, this whole $10,000 plus tax thing for the brokers, like, this is nothing new. This is stuff that should have been going on, but it just hasn't. So they know that this is just FUD. It's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and that's why they're buying in, because they know after there's a huge drop off, there's usually a huge buy-in. So we're probably going to get a lot of whales buying back in. Now you can see that happening all day. Like, literally earlier today, this Dogecoin whale came in 104.9 million. They went down to 101.4, probably because they got scared and then followed the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But literally, this $3 million probably just went into this Dogecoin whale's account. So this Dogecoin whale came in earlier today, $71.4 million. Big stuff right there. Now they're down to 68.5 million, but they're buying the dip. That's pretty much what I'm trying to bring to you here. I'm trying to tell you, like, these Dogecoin whales are really buying the dip here. You can see this one came in 31.1 million, and now they're at 30 million. They really don't care that the price is going down because they know there's about to be a reversal in the price. So that's pretty much my analysis here with the Dogecoin whales. Anyways, that's all I got for you all today, though. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Shout out to everyone that got the channel up to 10K subs. Really thankful for that. And definitely hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital. I'll go link in the description. Use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.